Hello viewers, welcome to Learn Kannada International YouTube channel. Viewers, I am Vidyashree from Karnataka. I am presenting this video for you to write Kannada and pronounce Kannada, helping you to learn Kannada reading and writing through our Learn Kannada International YouTube channel. If this video is helpful to you, please subscribe our channel. Thank you. Hello viewers, how are you all? I hope you are all good. Viewers, today we learn Kannada consonants. In Kannada, ವ್ಯಂಜನಗಳು. Let's start how to write, how to pronounce and few words and the English meaning. Okay? All are ready na? Okay? Let's start. Small k. K. Okay? K. Small k. Okay? How to write? Circle, straight line, K. K. Okay, this is a small K. K for Kannu. Kannu means eye. Kannugalu. Kannugalu means eyes. Kannu means eye. Kannugalu means eyes. K for Kannada. Kannada. Kannada language. K for Kannada. K for Kannadi. K for Kannadi. Kannadi means mirror. Kannadi means mirror. K for Kanasu. K for Kanasu. Kanasu means dream. Kanasugalu means dreams. Kanasugalu means dreams. Next, big K. KH. A. Okay, or KH. Big K. How to pronounce K? K. K. K for Khasagi. Khasagi means private. Next, small G. G. A. Okay, small G. How to write? G. G. G for Ganesha. Ganesha. Ganesha means Lord Ganesha. You know Ganapati Bappa Moria. G for ಗಮನ. ಗ ಫಾರ್ ಗಮನ. ಗಮನ means attention. Next is big. Gha. 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 How to write? Gha. Gha. Ga for ghataka. Ghataka. Ghataka means unit. Ghataka. Ghataka means unit. Gha for ಘಟನೆ. ಘಟನೆ. ಘಟನೆ means incident. Next letter is nya. 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 This is helping word, okay? And pronunciation we use with the nose, okay? Nya. Nya. How to write? Nya.